everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a helpers, Johnny and Tommy. And the reason why we're making their favorite thing is breakfast sausages. They love. If I would let them, they would eat 3 times a day. And since we're making sausages, I couldn't skip to have Thomas, right? He even helped me to choose meat. Yesterday we went to supermarket and we chose some pork butt. Right, Thomas? You helped me? Thomas is very good with choosing meat. He can tell where's the beef and pork and chicken. And other ingredients besides the pork, it's pork fat from back. And I got this in a Russian store. Any actually international store will have this, but if you don't have uncured bacon or pork belly will work. Make sure it's not smoked. We don't want that flavor. In sausage, it's pretty simple recipe, and that's only 2 ingredients required besides a bunch of different spices. So for the ingredients, we need simply pork butt and pork fat, and the ideal for any sausage between 30 to 50% of fat. So for people who low fat diet, it's not recipe for you, but we love it. And for the spices, we need salt. I'm using Celtic salt. Be careful. Celtic salt, freshly ground black pepper, thyme, sage, little bit of turbinado sugar, cayenne, tiny bit, just for the little bit of kick, and fresh rosemary or dry, whichever you prefer. That's it. Pretty simple. No MSG, no any other unnecessary preservatives in this sausage. I feel very comfortable to feed my children, and I hope you give it a try for this recipe. It's very yummy and easy to make. Let's do it. My helpers will help me to chop fresh rosemary while I will chop meat. I need about 2 pounds of pork and ½ pound of fat, pork fat.
Oh.
Can you chop for me?
That's it. Right.
I just sharpened my knife this morning. I hope it's sharp enough to do this. And now we need to weigh the meat. Can you help me, guys?
Yeah.
We need 2 pounds. Can you tell me where to stop?
You mean to step up?
2 pounds.
Oh, 2. Okay.
It's enough? No, I need a little bit more.
A little bit more, I think.
Do you remember, Thomas, what name for this?
Salo.
Salo. Johnny, you like salo?
No.
No. He's honest. He loves everything Russian but salo. But I'm working on it. He may someday.
I don't like salo.
You don't like salo?
No.
No.
You like salo.
Yes, Mommy likes salo. We need just about ½ pound. Spices going in, one by one: cayenne, salt, thyme, sugar, sage. And the last one, what spices? Can you tell me? Black pepper? No?
Black pepper.
Yes, it is black pepper.
I don't like that.
You don't like that?
It's spicy.
It's spicy, yes. And now we need to add your rosemary. Let's see how you did.
I did all of it.
You did very good. We need about 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary or 1 teaspoon of dry, whichever you prefer. Prefer to mix all together and stick in the refrigerator for about 1 or 2 hours to just marinate and kind of seal all the flavor together. It's much better. Like any meatballs when I make or something, I always make give it time to marry together the spice and meat. And plus, when it's cold meat, it's much easier to grind. Today we don't have time. My boys very impatient. They are ready to eat, so we'll try to do as it is. But I hardly recommend to stick in the refrigerator after it's all mixed together for at least 1 or 2 hours. You ready?
No.
Okay. Сильнее. Good job.
Put into no, Johnny. You have to hold here, and then you put it in. Or 2 hands. 2 hands. Push down. See, Johnny, it's going.
Yeah, it works. It works.
It wasn't. Она не двигалась.
А теперь двигается.
Видишь, мам?
Вижу.
Это я.
And now the last part, the funniest part in the mess is to make patties. Who going to help me?
Me.
You going to help me?
Yeah.
Can I show you how to make?
Yeah.
Okay, you take a little bit, like a ball, and then press.
Take my little bowl.
Okay, okay, and you place here. And you place here, okay?
Okay.
All right. Finally, it's cooked. Boys hardly could wait. Can you taste for me if it's good? Yes? Look how Johnny cutting his sausage. It's good? Good flavor? Yummy. Little bit hot, still hot? Oh. I hope you enjoy this video and give me a like and subscribe. Please share with your friends and family. And as always, on the end of each video, we're choosing what we're going to make next time. And I'm excited to see. Sourdough waffles. Bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.